Welcome back to Mac and PC Prime Video. So today's video is going to have you just installed Adobe Premiere Pro and are getting the initial launch error 0xc0000142. Don't worry. This is a common Windows error, and in most cases, it's easy to fix. In this video, I'll show you the best solution step by step. Let's get started. Fix 1. Install Microsoft Visual C Redistributables. This is the most common cause of the error. I have provided the link for this below the YouTube video. Download and install it. Once both are installed, restart your computer and try launching Premiere Pro again. Fix 2. Update your graphics driver. Outdated or corrupted graphics drivers can also trigger this error. If you use an NVIDIA graphics card, install the latest studio driver instead of the Game Ready driver. AMD and Intel users should download the latest official drivers from their respective websites. Restart your PC after the installation. In most cases, repairing the Visual C Redistributables and updating your graphics driver will fix the 0xc0000142 initial launch error. If you're still experiencing the problem, leave a comment with your Windows version, Premiere Pro version, and the exact error message, and I'll do my best to help. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more tech tutorials and troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.